One of the common mistakes I've seen is that they're trying to sell a solution on a 2-minute call. They call and say, "Hi, I'm Alex. I'm calling from Profitbl. We have this amazing service that does da 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 da. Would you be interested?" But the problem is people either are not in the market to buy something like this, or that's like 1% of people would be in the market to buy something like this, or you're asking them to take a decision on a purchase for 100 grand based off a 30 seconds pitch. It just doesn't happen, right? What happens is more often than not, they tell you we don't have a budget, so you get hit with a bunch of objections. The problem is you're trying to sell them something that takes 5 meetings of an hour, 20 follow-ups, and 6 months of a buying journey to solve. You're trying to do it in 30 seconds. It's just not going to happen. It doesn't work that way. You're trying to sell the solution, trying to sell the outcome instead of selling the next step. The next step is the meeting. And to sell the meeting, what you need to do is confirm that they have a pain that the product solves. Then you need to present that during the meeting, the 30 minutes, if they take it, you can show them how company XYZ that is similar to them has solved it using the same methodology. So you're telling them, even if you show up to the meeting and this is not something you want to purchase, no hard feelings. You get out of the meeting with ideas about how others have solved the same problem. You need to sell the next step. You can't sell the product itself. You're trying to sell this. If you only sell this with 30 minutes on the next meeting, you're going to get a lot more results. Sell the next step, sell the next meeting, don't sell the solution, validate the problem, set up the next step with an expert who's going to tell them how this problem got solved for others. And they'll decide if they want to continue during that journey to potentially purchase the solution or if they want to stop. Mr. Clients, let's book that meeting, right? That's how you need to do it.